Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about different reasons to study English. Let's begin. In my years of teaching English, I sometimes have students ask me why they should keep studying English. I have a few ideas. And I think that those ideas are important because if someone is studying something without a really good reason, they might not care about it very much, so they won't learn very well. It's hard to learn something if you don't care about it, at least a fair amount. So, what are some real reasons to study English? Here's the first one: getting a good job. In many countries around the world, you can get jobs that pay more money than usual if you know English. Here in Vietnam, I had a student for about 2 years. He worked in a big company in Hanoi, and he was a big high-level manager. He said that his company prioritizes people who know English well because that company does business with people from other countries. For instance, when his company needed to do business with Cambodian companies, people from this country right here, they used English. And they couldn't always use an AI because they needed to speak with their voices quickly to share their true thoughts and feelings. So, you can think about your current job and say, would I be able to get an even better job that's like this, but maybe pays more money, if I were to know English very well? For many people, the answer is yes. If, however, you don't have a job or you don't know what job you want to have, I will say this: knowing English well will almost guarantee you an easier chance of getting a good job. If, however, you are just a student and maybe don't know what job you want, let me just say this: English makes getting a job easier. And it makes the job that you get pay more most of the time. Another reason to learn English is for entertainment. I have taught many students who told me that they really like English videos because the videos in their native language are usually different than the videos that are in English. Sometimes they can be funnier. Sometimes they can talk about different content. Every person will have a different opinion about it. But by learning English well, you open yourself to much more entertainment. Learning English can make the internet much more enjoyable. Learning English well can also help you to find a good romantic partner. My wife and I met each other and were able to communicate well because she studied English for a long time before she met me. People from all around the world know English. So, especially if you live near a tourist area in your country, knowing English well could help you find that special someone. Knowing English well can also help you to be better at the job that you already have. For instance, I said in another video that I used to teach English here in Vietnam at a hospital. When I taught there, a few doctors told me that they needed English to get better at their jobs because they read peer-reviewed studies, you can Google what that means, that were only written in English. And the Google translated versions of them weren't very accurate. So they said that they were better doctors because they could understand English. Another reason to learn English is that English makes traveling easier. Basically, if you travel to any country around the world, there will be at least a few people there who know English and who can help you. So, the more English you know, the more enjoyable it will be when you travel around the world. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.